Hey guys, Morgan here, the Carolina Disney girl, and it's unboxing time. We have actually, I'm gonna do two boxes because they're actually little boxes. They are Boxy Charm. I believe this is the December box. So let's take a look. So this is the Gift of Glam that we have here, and you see when we go through it, it looks like kind of a small box. So let's get right into it. So first thing we have is Mud Masky Mineral Infused Double Cleansing Mask, 3-in-1 formula. So it's deep cleansing, pore refining, restoring. So let's see what this has to say. So this is a non-foaming, fragrance-free cleansing mask infused with rich materials to detoxify and deep cleanse your face before bedtime. Formulated with a blend of cleansing minerals and Mud Masky's signature premium Moroccan lava clay, this effective formula aids in restoring your skin's pH levels, reducing redness, and preventing acne. I actually love face masks and have a bit of a collection, so I'm going to try to be a little bit more proactive and actually use my masks. So this will be a fun one to try. Next we have Tarte. Love some Tarte. This is Man-Eater Plumping Gloss. Ooh. It's in mauve. So as you can tell, I've actually already got some on, so I don't know how this is going to work. So this is the Man-Eater. It's actually pretty neutral. It's got a little pinky to it, so obviously not going to do too much because I already have some on, but not too far off from what I was already wearing. So the Tarte Man-Eater Plumping Gloss is definitely doing something because I feel something on my lips. Undercover is a sheer color Apply Tarte's Man-Eater Plumping Gloss for visibly plumper looking lips. The nourishing formula smooths the lips and wraps them in lasting hydration, color, and shine, while the Volu Pump Complex works to visibly plump the lips in just one swipe. I don't know if they look any plumper. Maybe the bottom one a little bit. So even without the plumping, like that's just a pretty color. So definitely excited about that. Next we have Real Yours Dreams Are So Big eyeshadow palette. So let's take a look. There's definitely tingling going on right now on my lips, just so you guys know. Okay, this is actually a pretty one. It's like neutral pinks. So, see if it'll kind of focus. So this is actually going, so these 9 highly pigmented buttery and blendable shades are infused with avocado oil, coconut oil, and other vegan powerhouse ingredients for hydration and anti-aging properties. So I'm gonna try to show you guys better. But I mean, it's just really, so this, I'm going to swipe the middle one. It's called Ambition. It's got a little shimmer to it. But these are really pretty neutral colors, which I obviously don't have neutral colors on right now. But I definitely like this one. My lips are still tingling. This is weird. Alright. Next, Tint, which we've gotten some stuff from Tint before. This is a tinted and brightening eye cream, all-in-one corrector and hydrator. So, according to the paper, Undercover is a sheer color correcting eye cream that doubles as both eye cream and concealer. The buildable sheer foundation evens out tone while hydrating the skin with skin perfecting ingredients such as hyaluronic acid, squalene, and apple extract. Used as desired for well hydrated and supple finish that reduces the appearance of dark under eye circles. So, looks like the color is mist. That's what it says up here. And it is a little, I mean, it's definitely, it's a little orangier than my skin tone. So this doesn't show very well. But once I blend it in, it actually is doing a good job. And the light is not really going to show you, but it's actually gotten rid of some of my fine lines here that you can actually, I can see here. So that's really cool. And looks like I've got one more thing. Luna liner from Seraphine Botanicals. Love the package. Alright, so this is a water-resistant liquid eyeliner. A vegan, fade-proof, water-resistant liquid eyeliner that features an intensely black ink for the ultimate definition. The micro brush tip glides on smoothly, dispensing just the right amount of liquid as you apply. This is completely wrapped up, so I don't want to open it just yet, because I obviously already have eyeliner on, but that'll be cool to play with. I'm always looking for a good liner, and it is cruelty and vegan free. Cruelty free and vegan. So hopefully water resistant also means it's gonna last long. So that's all that's in the first box. So what we always do, take the phone and let's add up the cost. Alright, so first thing is the palette. The Realer Dream So Big. This is $28, which I think is not bad. Next, the Mud Mask is $59. And just to give you, that's a little high for me personally, because it's only 2.5 ounces. But I'm still going to obviously try it. Then we have the Tarte Maneater Plumping, which I still feel a little tingling. So this is $19. And then we have the Tint Eye Cream. This is $24. And then last we have the Liquid Eyeliner from Seraphine Botanicals, and this is $18. So for a total of $148. And that's a pretty good deal considering that these boxes are about, I think, $45 a month. So I got 2 boxes in December, and I'm not sure if this is supposed to be, this might be the January box. It says invite only. It also talks about some promos, so I don't know if this was just like a extra box that everybody got, or if this is supposed to be January's box. But either way, I figure they're both kind of small, so let's just go through them. First thing, Milk Dew pH Balancing Moisture Milk Toner by Glow Oasis. So this Give thirsty skin a drink of milk dew. This toner meets moisturizer features a blend of apricot kernel oil, soybean extract, and cica extract to deeply hydrate, condition, and soothe the skin. Perfect energy boost needed to revitalize dull, dehydrated skin. With pH balancing formula, this vegan toner improves the skin's texture and tone. Also helps remove any trace of dirt and excess oil that can cause breakouts or irritations. So that, and it is a glass bottle, which I love glass bottles. So this actually got a little bit of heft to it. And this is a brand new to Boxy Charm. Obviously, when I do makeup, it's really good to get everything off. So I'm actually excited to try this. Let's see. Next, we have Trust Fund Beauty, Better Than Therapy Lip Oil. I just put on the lip plumper, which by the way just started like calming down. So this, it's rough out there, but lips don't need to be. Take a minute for some sexy self-care with Better Than Therapy Lip Oil, infused with therapeutic vitamin E to give your palette some TLC. It's both a lip treatment and a delicious clear gloss. Use alone or as a perfect topper for lipsticks, lips, and lip liner when you want an ultra juicy look. And this is probably going to be overkill, but I did give it a little extra shine. So that is cool. And it is, of course, cruelty free. So this is really cool. Next, I think these might go together. Yeah. So we've got two masks from Vitamusque. We have the Nourish Flower Nectar, and it does say biodegradable sheet mask and echo pouch, which I think is really cool. This one is the Glow Juicy Berries. So this is, yeah, Nourish Flower Nectar biodegradable mask and Glow Juicy Berries biodegradable mask. Nourish is a probiotic and anabjectic mask with multiple peptides, ceramides, and flower extracts such as cherry blossom, hibiscus, orange blossom to nourish and repair. So that is this one right here, the Flower Nectar one. Glow is a natural probiotic and adaptive mask with vitamin C, nectamide, and a super berry complex including raspberry, blackberry, goji berry, and mulberry to brighten and improve uneven skin tones. These masks are biodegradable. I really like this. I didn't even know that they made biodegradable masks. So I feel a lot better about using these sheet masks. So I'm super excited because I just said I love me some masks. So these are definitely fun for me. Next we have Voss Violet Sunset. So this is an eyeshadow and pressed pigment palette. So with the name, I'm thinking purples. So let's see what we've got. Take off the little plastic. So not as many purples as I was thinking. Basically, your only purples are these two right here. Lilac and Violet Sunset. But the rest are very, again, neutral tones. Get your daily dose of magic hour with the Violet Sunset palette, a color story inspired by the magical colors of the sunset. Your eyes are sure to be the main attraction. It provides iconic, everyday warm neutrals and complementary pops of color to achieve all the looks you desire and more. Experience Violet Voss addicting formulas in the perfect mix of mattes, shimmers, and metallics. Always pigmented and extremely blendable. So, I have to see what this lilac. It actually looks darker, but comes out pretty light, which is really nice. So that will be fun to play with. Let's see. Oh, one more thing. I was like, was that it? Okay. Kate Summerville's Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. Love a cleanser. I'll have all this stuff. What am I kidding? All right. So this is the Kate Summerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. Gentle daily wash that formulates to cleanse and soothe without tightness or irritation. Its enhanced, non-foaming, creamy formula removes makeup, dirt, oil, and impurities while maintaining skin's radiance and essential moisture. So, super excited to try that. And that is everything for the box. So that's the second box. So let's take a look at the prices. So first is the Voss Violet Sunset Palette. This is $37. Next is the cleanser. The Kate Summerville Goat Milk Cleanser. This is $40. Then we have the Glow Oasis Milk Dew Toner. And this is $34. And then we have the Lip Therapy. The Trust Fund Beauty Better Than Lip Therapy Oil. This is $18. And then we have the masks from Vitamesks. These are $18. So it's a total of $147. So again, a great deal. So again, those are my two boxes, the invite only and the gift of glam, which they both came to me in the month of December. So I don't know if I got a bonus box in December or what, but let me know, as always, in the comments below. What was your favorite item? Do you get these boxes? Did you get something different? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next time. Hakuna Matata.